How to install a VariFlo upright polymer dispensing machine. We start by connecting the power cord to the machine. Head to the side with barrels and start by grabbing side hose B, the orange one. Connect side hose B securely to the valve port closest to you. Repeat steps on side hose A, the yellow one, and barrel A. Make sure both hoses are fastened securely during these steps. To prepare for the following step, place top hoses A and B on their barrels. Removing the filling cap connector on barrel B and the cap on top of hose B. Insert hose B loosely into barrel B. Once done, repeat steps on barrel A and top hose A. To prepare for the following step, place dispenser gun near you. Returning to the front of the machine, place handles up and turn on the machine. The machine is on when switch is flipped and green light is visible. Have the dispenser gun available. Open both valves A and B, placing handles parallel to hoses. Turn on the dispenser gun by toggling the switch on top. Check product flow by lifting hose A and B.
El material esté saliendo en los dos lados. Digamos que no tenemos problema.
After hoses are checked, dispenser should be checked for even product flow. To perform, check open the dispenser's A and B valves that are located near the nozzle and toggle switch handle. Place handles down and spray out of dispenser. If dispenser is all clear, move on to manifold installation. Start by unscrewing cap, double check for any obstructions. If all is clear, install by screwing on manifold onto tip of the dispenser gun. Check for even flow by starting up dispenser gun before continuing setup. Once flow is even, get mixing tip and connector screw. Attach by sliding mixing tip into the connector screw and twisting the connector screw onto manifold. Once the dispenser is assembled, open valves to revise flow going through the mixing tip. After checking the flow, clear the hoses by spraying the dispenser gun with the valves closed. Before continuing, store the dispenser gun tip down. Important reminder, make sure the dispenser gun is stored with manifold down to prevent product from drying inside and causing blockages. Before starting the machine, make sure both handles are up to ensure material recirculates properly. Check valve handles are in the open position Parallel to the hoses, turn on the dispenser gun to begin circulation.
Prendemos luz verde, revisamos, handles abiertos y prendemos máquina. Revisamos que el
While
material
circulating, revise flow by lifting hoses A and B from barrels to view flow.
lados.
Important reminder, allow materials to recirculate 20 to 30 minutes. Once we see flow is even and material is flowing, turn off the machine temporarily to install connectors back to hoses A and B.
Instalaremos conectores con las mangueras.
Remove hoses A and B from the barrels. Screw the connectors and filling connectors onto the barrels. Screw hoses A and B back to the connectors with their corresponding barrels. Make sure to screw each side securely.
Y dejaremos la máquina
Turn machine back on to continue recirculation
de
for 20
20
to
a
30
30
minutes.
minutos. De haber pasado 30 minutos, apagaremos la máquina.
After 20 to 30 minutes, turn off the machine and dispenser gun.
Luz verde apagada. Bajaremos nuestros handles.
Lower the handles on the machine.
Una cosa muy importante. Quitar.
Reminder, take out drum key to provide ventilation to barrels.
Pueda respirar el barril.
After lowering the handles, open dispenser valves and proceed to turn on machine and dispenser gun.
Prendemos máquina.
Once done, you are ready to work.
Y trabajaremos